Good after morning, folks. Hope you're having a good day. I wasn't going to do a video on this location yet until I at least clear it up and manicure it a little better, but the clock is not going to wait for me. I'm going to tell you what I did. I took some sulfur pellets, 99% sulfur, and I amended the soil here. So basically I took 2 cups per 5-gallon bucket, and I mixed 2 cups of sulfur pellets in with a 5-gallon bucket of just sugar sand dirt. And what I'm trying to accomplish is getting the soil to be a lower pH. I need it to be more acidic because these, yes, these are blueberries. Trying to grow blueberries in Florida. Yeah, I know. I'm probably crazy for trying to do this, but you know, I've heard of a couple of success stories. It's just these blueberries seem to take a lot of care and time and energy in order to get them to produce. So here we are trying to make that happen. Now you'll notice some of this old leaf, these old leaves, they look a little bit beaten and malnourished, but these newer leaves, they're greening out real nicely. Look at this one. This is the southern high bush. This is southern high bush cultivar of the blueberry. And these leaves are they're greening out really well. And I amended the soil of this one probably 3 months ago. So then you look at this one. This one's greened out pretty nicely. This is a different cultivar. I can't remember the name exactly, but I'll have to do some research and figure it out. See, these ones, they came in like 6 months ago or 8 months ago, one or the other. And I've been trying to get them to come back. So just amended the soil of these not that long ago, only like 4 weeks ago. So we'll see if these start to develop some good green leaves. But all in all, the older, more established blueberries they seem to be doing better. Also, I have them in the understory of these oaks, and I've produced an artificial wall here to kind of hold some moisture in, because these apparently need to have like a moisture filled environment in order to do well, because that's where they grow well in nature, is where there's basically a cooler climate but in the clouds. So I'm trying to mimic that here. I don't want the sun scorching these. Before I had that wall put in, that's what would happen. The sun would scorch them and they just look like twigs. But ever since I put that wall up, it blocks the wind and it blocks the sun to a degree, and they've been doing better. But I also needed the sulfur amendment to the soil to increase the acidity of the soil to make them produce well. Anyhow, I'll keep you updated and posted on this story, as this is an ongoing saga for sure. Hopefully success will come. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.